Finally, after 8 months, my course is ready. After creating a level, landscape, Niagara, material, I know you want material and Niagara, but we have more than just that in this course. We talk a lot about meta sound, sound cue, UIs, main menu, and a lot of other things. Let me explain more about them. First, we start from very basic stuff like download and install Unreal Engine 5 to moving around our scene to accurate positioning things in our scene and a lot of pro tips and tricks for positioning things and creating a level. Next we go to importing different kind of 3D objects from different sources through our course. Some of these 3D object doesn't have material, some of them do, some of them has some textures, so we should learn how we can add them properly. Next we start a course project and we add a character there. Next we learn about animations, how to import them from different sources, how we can edit them, how we can create animation inside Unreal Engine 5 with the control rig of course. After that we learn about full body IK for creating this kind of effect so player can put its foot on the stairs automatically. After that we learn a lot about UI, or you can call it user interface. We start from very basic stuff and we create a lot of things like crosshair, like health bar with animation, so whenever enemy attack us, our health bar have some animations. Enemy health bar, item pickup information, hit number, and many more things. At the end we create this cool main menu UI for our game, and this scene that you can see at the background of this main menu we created from scratch together. Next we start with the sound. There is two types of sound engine inside Unreal Engine. One is sound cue and another one is meta sound. We learn both of them and we use it for example, for a gunshot, footstep sound, and many more things. As a matter of fact, we learn how we can use notes in meta sound to create simple music and some ambient sound. Let's just play. It's cool. Next section that we learn is Niagara system, the section that everybody waiting for. In Niagara section, we learn all the basics first. When we learn them, we create some fire, some smoke as example. And next, with that knowledge, we create muzzle flash effect, blood splatter effect on the ground when we shoot our enemy, and some other effect as well that you can see. Next, we learn about collisions and physics, so we be able to create our own bullet. There is 3 types of bullet that you can create, and I'll teach you all 3 of them. First with code, second with physics, and third with the projectile component. Next we talk about all kind of light and fogs as well. We learn about different kind of levels and how we can create them, like Unreal Engine landscape tool and land masses to create ocean, river, and island. And we learn about a software called Gaia, and with that we create very big landscape for our course game. Our landscape need material for it to be beautiful, so we go for material section. As a matter of fact, there is 3 sections just about material because it is so important. First one is a beginner course, second one is more advanced stuff like animate in material, and at the last material section we talk about everything about auto landscape material and how we can create this beautiful and very big landscape for our game. Now that we have big landscape, it is time to learn about foliage system. There is 2 types of foliage system and we learn both of them to create procedural foliage like grass, flowers, trees, and whatever you want. And all of these foliage will be procedural and automatically work with our landscape auto material. So whenever there is a road, if you want to create a road, there won't be any tree on there. Next, we learn about AI, because it can be a little bit confusing, so I start from very basic AI with the droid that doesn't have animations. And next, we start with the AI for a zombie that has animations as well. Different kind of zombie. Zombie patrol, walk, run, and attack as well. At the end, we create a day and night cycle. Two type of day and night cycle. One of them, you decide the speed of the sun. And other type is, you can tell Unreal Engine how many minute or second the day should take and how many second and minute or hour the night should take. If you have any question at the end in any of these categories, just ask in question section and I will create a video to explain it as good as possible so you will understand it better. So let's just begin this course together.